Welcome, my dear children, in our science class. Today, we are going to continue with lesson number 13, which is Green and Clean Earth. So, here we will be discussing about types of waste and pollution and various ways to reduce pollution. So, let's get started. Oh, wow! Quiz time! Yes, you are right. We are going to start with a short quiz where you have to identify that which of the things shown in the picture will rot and mix with the soil and which things will not. Now, let's check our answers. So, the first picture, that is fruits and vegetables, peels of fruits and vegetables, paper and leftover food. All these will rot and mix with the soil. So this type of waste are called as biodegradable waste. On the other hand, plastic bags, plastic bottles, glass and rubber do not rot and mix with the soil. So this type of waste are called as non-biodegradable waste. Dear children, many human activities like smoke from factories, vehicles, and deforestation is making the air dirty. And this dirty air can make us fall sick. So, children, any undesirable change in the environment that can cause harm or discomfort to human beings and other living organisms is called pollution. And the substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. Now, let's discuss various types of pollution. Children, there are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Now, what is air pollution? Air pollution is mixing up of pollutants, that is, harmful gases and smoke from factories and vehicles into the atmosphere. Now, let's find out what are the various reasons of air pollution. My dear children, air pollution is caused when harmful gases from factories and vehicles are released into the atmosphere. And yes, burning of wood, solid waste, fossil fuels, and firecrackers also pollutes the air. Besides this, other activities like use of fertilizers and pesticides and forest fires also cause air pollution. Now the question arises, how to reduce air pollution? Children, to reduce air pollution, we should avoid burning leaves and other materials. We should encourage carpool so that there is reduction in the number of cars on the road, causing less pollution. Also, regular pollution checking of cars should be done. We all should switch off the engines at red light and say no to firecrackers. Other ways to reduce air pollution are to walk or to use a bicycle for shorter distance. And we should plant more trees. Next is water pollution. We can define water pollution as mixing up of pollutants in water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and oceans. Now, let's find out various reasons of water pollution. My dear children, major reason of water pollution is disposal of chemical waste from factories and household sewage into water bodies. Apart from these, washing clothes and utensils and bathing animals in water bodies also lead to water pollution. And children, do you know that use of pesticides by the farmers and activities like immersing idols of God and ashes of deceased into water bodies makes water dirty Now the question is, how can we reduce water pollution? Yes, first of all, the dirty water from homes and factories must be treated first at water treatment plants and then allowed to go into water bodies. And activities like washing of clothes, bathing animals, and immersion of idols and ashes into water bodies must be stopped. Next is soil pollution. Children, when we dump harmful and unwanted materials or pollutants on soil or land, it is called soil pollution. Reasons of soil pollution are dumping of waste and chemicals in soil, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides, deforestation, littering on roadside, and improper disposal of oils and paints. And the various ways to reduce soil pollution are: we should adopt proper disposal of waste and say no to plastic bags. We should not throw garbage on the roadside. We should plant more trees and try to use manures instead of chemical fertilizers. Noise pollution. Children, you might have noticed that the noise from automobiles, aeroplanes, and factories causes discomfort to people, and that results in noise pollution. So, ways to reduce noise pollution are: do not blow horn unless it is necessary, and play music system and television at low volume.